my grade.
Hey guys!
Hey,
Alan's back. Timmy still got his bike helmet.
I'll always have
That
it.
was actually Tommy's.
Yeah, this one's Tommy's.
Okay, well, I think we're gonna go right flat over here.
And Aaron just ate it.
Whatever. How'd you just die on flat ground?
I tried to look 80.
Wait, whose number is 801-427?
Yeah, who is
I
that
haven't
guy?
said this in a while, but cue the time lapse. Tyler just ate it. Doing
How'd you just
nothing.
eat
He
that,
like
dude?
face planted. I keep missing like all the fails. Valley plumbing.
Dip on my 180 again.
Ready?
Also right.
Ow, I hit my ankle.
Okay, guys. Well, I haven't said this in a while. Cue the time lapse. Everybody stare, stare, stare. Don't make it look like too obvious.
Old lady.
Oh no! One wave equals one light!
Weather.
I mean, you guys are racist.
Protects them from the sun.
You guys are really racist. Let me look through. Here's
my hoodie.
I already did. Just leave the front door unlocked.
Alright, we'll meet you guys at the
Getting stopped.
Okay, well, this guy just wrecked his motorbike into that four-wheeler.
He was stopped for like literally like a minute.
Wow, everybody is failing right now. It's leaking so bad under there, though.
Yeah, it's a two-stroke.
I'm pretty sure that's
it's 2
gas.
Wow, that was gnarly. All of a sudden, he just came like flooring like 20 into the back of the four-wheeler. Like right. Oh shit! Oh my! I just dropped my phone.
Is it gonna start?
I'm scared. I just dropped my root beer and my phone. Luckily, it didn't crack.
You dropped your root beer?
Why do we have to stop so fucking fast?
Yeah,
I know,
that almost fell on me and Jackson.
I
I was right here when you came by, and I'm like, crap. Shit.
He almost hit you, Jackson.
I know, that's why it backed up.
If he would have went around and
You know there's brakes on that thing, right?
I was slamming on him. My front brake sucks ass. Yeah,
Whoa! Watch your profanity.
I don't give a shit.
Swearing doesn't make you cool, bro.
I'm pissed the fuck off.
Just make you sound.
Vape Nation! Make sure you watch your profanity!
Vape Nation. Okay, guys. So, if you turn on my post notifications and if you want a shout out, comment down below. Comment down below. I turned on post notifications or something like that. And you have to be subscribed to, guys. And
Shout me out.
no,
Shout me out.
I don't shout out bike helmets.
My bike helmet's lit. Shout me out.
Shout out to Carter.
Hey, can you shout me out?
Patane.
Patani.
That's fancy.
That's real fancy.
I wanted to slap right across the face.
That was funny because that whatever happened, the motorcycle ran into the four-wheeler and then the guy on the motorcycle just started swearing at him.
Oh, wait, he almost ran me over.
It almost hit me and Jackson.
And if you go on Socks and Scooters, make sure you hit the unlike button. So you give him a hate.
What?
Don't like Socks and Scooters. He sucks.
Go check out Socks and Scooters.
Never mind, don't. Hit the like button.
Just go watch his channel, you know? Cade, you can always give me a shout out, right? Socks and Scooters?
Well, give Socks
I
and
just
Scooters
gave
a
you-
like button.
I just gave
And
you one.
subscribe.
This is yeah, guys, just so you know, all my videos are current day videos, just so you know, if you're wondering. Yeah.
It's lit how he's freaking. He met Ryan Williams.
Okay, we're gonna go scooter now. We're at the rodeo grounds now, guys.
Skip the trappers. No, we're leaving.
No, we're not.
Well, we might be.
No, we're
I know
not.
Timmy and Jackson want to, but
I'm
let's
not.
see what we do.
Sketchy.
Oh, I got your helmet.
An ambulance.
Guess where I am.
We're at the Tower Forts and I'm chilling in a tube.
There's a car.
So? Hi. We're just in
Oh, I
some.
can make like a 6-seat.
Why would they care if we sit in here when these tires just sit in the hot sun all day and get like destroyed?
True.
Oh shoot! Stop moving the. Oh my, Jackson, chill.
I'm putting back up my seat.
Do it down.
Me and him.
This is fun to chill in. Where is everyone?
I don't know, but I might get to here.
Oh, there's two.
I got the best seat right here, bro.
Carter. Carter's just chilling in there. Okay, I'm gonna go play some games. And I might make a separate video on night games tonight.
Tag right here?
We're gonna play night games around here, so.
Dude, should we put a tag on these? Hey guys! Who wants to play tag on the tires?
Not me, I'm Gucci here.
No, let's chill for a few minutes. Let's chill for a few minutes and then we will.
Or is that your hole?
And we'll say, how about this? You can't touch the ground. Ha!
That'd be so hard.
Guys, you can't touch the ground. Floor is lava tag. That'd be so lit.
Hey, floor's lava.
No, floor is lava tag after this. Let's chill for a few minutes. Guys, stay tuned later. I'm gonna film night games. I promise we're gonna do it. Well, actually, I don't promise. I'm pretty sure we're gonna do it.
I slipped
If I
off
do,
this.
the
I know
tide.
it's coming
Just wait. To recommend it to put up.
Is everyone in there?
If you ever wanted to do
There's
that
3
thing
people in there, right?
that you could do anything. Okay, I'll come back to you in a minute.
You're such an idiot.
Kiss the bride.
We're gonna play some sardines at the rodeo grounds, and so I picked because I was gonna go first. Then me and Dallin, I just picked a number between 1 and 100. Whoever got closest was got to be my partner. So Dallin picked 46 and my number was 49. So yeah, so Dallin's only the 2 people that hide are partners. So yeah, we're gonna go hide.
We should see if
Me
this
and Dallin
snake's
will hide
still there.
first.
I thought we were playing that one game that you made up.
Let's see if this snake's still there.
I thought we were playing this or else it wasn't.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna see if
So
this
I'll just
snake's
see you when
still
me and
there.
Dallin are hiding. Okay.
Guys, this is night games of our video. Please keep watching the video. They were trying to find us and they couldn't find us. So yeah, just please watch the video and yeah, please leave a like, guys, and subscribe, and yeah. subscribe to Bridger Nickel.
Okay, guys, well, you can't really see me, but, so, yeah, like, half the people left for, night games because they were or I don't know, they just left because they weren't having that much fun, but, you know, whatever, doesn't matter, but, yeah, so that was kind of fun. But, yeah, guys, please leave a like on this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for 200 subscribers, guys. Peace out.